Okay, you've got your cutters, and of course I don't know the proper name of anything other than needle nose pliers. This one's got a flat edge. This one's rounded, which is what we use to make the circle shape in the wire. So this is basically a Swarovski crystal, a round bead, and a cap. And I'm just going to finish it off. So I use the rounded ones to turn my straight line into a curve. So I have that shape, and it's on the bottom at the moment. Then I take it and I turn it this way so it's sitting on top and bottom of the wire, and I wrap the wire over the curved, the curved wire to get that shape. And then I'm going to take it off and move it to the other side. So I can then bring it all the way around. Very poorly at this point. And I have my loop. Apologize for my camera. So it's not perfect, but it's just to give you an idea. And then I tend to use my needle nose to control the other wire to wrap it around. So I use my flat-headed ones to bring this around because it allows me to get it tight and flush, which is what I like for my bead wires. And it just fits closer than my hand can. And the flusher it is, the less everything will jiggle. So then you have it wrapped, and again, depending on how far you put your needle nose wires here is how long your little stem's going to be that you're going to have to cover up. And you're going to want to repeat that for the second pair so that they look about the same length. Flying debris. And then I push it in a little again to get it flush. And there you have just a finished product. Of a wrapped earring. And if you want to just, again, needle nose on the bottom, both sides. And again, I'm trying to get it close to that. So we shall see. And I bring it and I grab the top and bottom again to wrap it over. And I take my needles out, move them so I can bring it all the way around. Again, very poorly. Apologize, I have not done this in a while. And then I have my loop. Which I will obviously try to clean up some. So again, I'm going to shift hands so that I can use the flat-headed ones to force this around into a wrap that is flush and hopefully even. And not quite exactly as the other one, but still. I'm going to cut off the excess. Watch out for flying debris. And then I'm going to push that side in. To get that flush and not standing out. And again, I've got two finished little pieces that I can turn into earrings, or I can connect to something else for a necklace, which I would then use a loop if I were going to do a necklace, but the earrings I would connect directly to the ear wire. Thank you.